Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. We begin on the foreign exchange market where the Jamaican dollar continued to slide today. The dollar hit a new low against the greenback. Trading ended with the US dollar selling for $138.33. The Canadian dollar sold for $105.02. The pound closed at $170.54, while the euro is going for $154.57. There's a call for local manufacturers to fill the product gap in Jamaica's medical ganja industry. At least one distributing company says there's enough business for local manufacturers to benefit. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Zimmer & Co. is a health and wellness distribution enterprise focused on hemp-based CBD products. The company is based in Montego Bay with a portfolio of 140 products, including 51 that have been approved for sale in Jamaica by the Ministry of Health. However, most of its products are imported.
We don't want to be importing products. We want Jamaican products. We want to distribute those products globally. And most of these contracts that we sign to distribute products, we also have a clause that we're able to manufacture those same products in Jamaica. Now, we're not a manufacturer. We're not going into manufacturing. And so we're looking forward to partnering with other companies in Jamaica to manufacture locally.
She says the aim is to have more finished medical ganja products coming out of Jamaica, which would provide a ready market for ganja farmers.
Our farmers are growing, but they need an outlet to monetize this grow. Now, if we wait for countries like China and India to start growing, we're not going to be able to compete with those countries. But if we look at formulating finished products, then there's a huge opportunity there, especially if those are made in Jamaica products.
She says both new and existing manufacturers are being invited to play their role in the advancement of this emerging industry.
I don't see any reason current manufacturers can't capitalize on the opportunity. They absolutely can, and it also opens the space for anyone else wanting to enter the industry to participate.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The JC Index gained 2,570 points today, while the Junior Market Index lost 2 points. Among the winners were Jetcon Corporation, T-Tech, Siboney Group, Diamond Trading, and Cygnus Credit Investments. On the losing side were Fosrich, Jamaica Producers Group, Dolphin Cove, Radio Jamaica, and General Accident Insurance Company. That's the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.